Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Fitbit not syncing with phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Fitbit. Now once it loads, tap on the app and now check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head back to your home screen. Now once you're inside your home screen, tap on your settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage here, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Fitbit app. Now let me just assume this YouTube is the Fitbit app, and now on tapping you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app. Now what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.